welcome back to my channel. It's Jenny. Today we're making chickpea and lime tahini tacos. This is a really great meal option for lunch or dinner. You can also reserve the chickpea liquid. It's called aquafaba and it makes a really great egg replacer in vegan baking. Start off making the sauce. You'll need 6 tablespoons of runny roasted tahini, a 1/4 cup fresh lime juice, 4 teaspoons of pure maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of water, which will help thin it out a little bit. And in a large bowl, add the chickpeas and a 1/2 cup of the tahini sauce. You can reserve the other part of the tahini sauce for another use. And for the topping, I just cut up some fresh tomato and red onion and added a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder to this, and I will be sprinkling that on top of the tacos. Yum! These tahini and lime chickpea tacos are super healthy, very nutritious, and absolutely delicious. I hope you like it. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!